Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to go over how this car sounds an F10 535i with an RVG Catless Downpipe and a Resonator Delete, including the stock mufflers. It's a very unique sound. It's not too loud, so if you're looking for something that's not obnoxiously loud, definitely doesn't drone, so don't worry about the drone. This is definitely a setup that you want to be looking at. Catless Downpipe, Resonator Delete, and stock mufflers. So let's take a look at how this thing sounds. Also, you may notice my quad exhaust tips are missing. That's because I put the stock mufflers back on, but they're coming off. So this is just a temporary look. I decided why not? While I still have it, let's make a video, right? So, like I said a little bit earlier, let's see what this thing sounds like. So, as you saw, it's not too loud. It's a nice little undertone of aggression on an otherwise pretty much stock sounding exhaust. I like it because it's a nice mix of OEM, stock when you want it, and then when you floor it, you get that nice little sound, you get that rasp. And of course, as you heard, I had some burbles, which means yes, the car is tuned, and I haven't mentioned that before because this is the first time that I'm mentioning it. The next video about this car will be covering an MHD tune. Yes. The F10 is finally getting tuned. It has been tuned, actually, and a few keen viewers may notice that it had burbles. So yes, the car is in fact tuned with an MHD flash tune, and I'm very happy to say that MHD is a sponsor of the next video covering the F10 535i. I actually personally am not going to keep this setup because it's not loud enough for what I want. I want like a nice louder exhaust, right? I just want it to be a little bit louder, not like this. It's great sound, trust me, it's a great sound, and it does not drone. That's the main thing. This exhaust setup does not drone, even though it's catless and no resonators. The mufflers, I mean, if you have an F10 535i, you have seen how big those mufflers are. They are huge. They really muffle. So there's no drone at all with this setup, which is a very big plus because I know a lot of my viewers, a lot of you guys really just don't want drone. You want that nice sound, but you don't want the drone. This is a great setup. This is a great combination of both worlds. Me, however, I want a little bit more sound. So I'm going to start looking into options, start delving into other things that I can do, and then I'll see where that takes me. It's going to lead me down a really long rabbit hole. I know that, but I think it'll be worth it because I love exhaust sound. I love hearing my car. So that's pretty much all for this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out and it helps give you guys more content. So I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.